Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be giving away my brother Jeff's secret recipe for his world famous wings. Well, they're world famous in our family. So we're going to start with our wing itself. The wing, as you know, comes in three different segments. You got the single bone, and then you got the end piece with the double bone, and you got the very tip, which we're going to discard that. And we're going to save these tips for when we do our chicken stock. So we'll place them off to the side. Now we're going to separate our two pieces here. We're going to cut along this fleshy part here till you get to the bone, then bend it backwards till it snaps, and there's your point to make your incision. Now on the fleshy bone, which is a little bit more meat to it, I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of slices, one on each side, to let that marinade really get in there. Now we're going to place our wings into a 1 gallon size Ziploc bag. We're going to start with one 28-ounce size bottle of barbecue sauce with honey. Honey because you need those sugars to caramelize while you're grilling them. Then we're going to add our 1 cup of Wishbone Italian dressing, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. My brother Jeff called for 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. I'm using 3 because I like it hot. Now his recipe did not call for it, but I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. I'm using this squeezed garlic that Gourmet Garden makes one. It's just pureed garlic. It's real garlic. I'm going to put maybe 2 tablespoons in here because I like that garlicky flavor. And then we'll give it a whisk. Bring it all together. Oh man, that smells good. Whoa. Whoa! Man, that'll clean your sinuses. Now, before you do anything, you got to reserve 1 cup of the marinade to use when you're grilling, because you're going to be basting the wings as they're cooking on the grill. And the remainder of the marinade is going to go right in with the wings. Minimum marination for this is 4 hours, but do yourself a big favor, overnight. Tastes so much better. Well, here we are 24 hours later. Our wings have been marinating overnight in our fridge. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate them. Half are going to go into a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. The other half are going to bake on the grill at 350 degrees for an hour with a little smoke. Then they're both going to be finished over the hot coals. Now I discarded that marinade. We did save that 1 cup, remember, of that marinade before we put the chicken on it, because we're going to use this to brush on the wings as they're grilling. So my oven's at 350 degrees. Let's get one pan here into our oven, and we'll go outside and get the grill fired up. Push the coals to one side for indirect heat. Now that our coals are getting good and hot, we're going to put in a little bit of wood chip here, only about maybe a handful. We're just going to give it a kiss of smoke. Now you can use any kind of wood chips you like. I'm actually using apple wood, but peach is good, mesquite, oak, whatever you have. Now this is going to burn off after a few minutes, then it'll continue to bake. Place it on our grate. And our wings are going to go opposite side, way over to the other side. Indirect heat, they're going to get smoked first, and then they're going to bake nicely for about 1 hour. On goes the lid. We'll close the bottom all the way, and we'll close the top vent all the way. And we'll keep a close eye on that temperature to maintain 350 degrees. If it gets below 350, open those vents a little. If it gets above 350, close them off all the way again. Well, now's a good time to clean our pan and get a beer. Well, okay, it's been about 55 minutes. Let's get a look at these bad boys. Oh boy, does that look awesome. Boy, they smell good too. Now all we have to do is let this fire get plenty of air and get good and hot, and we'll grill them off. I'm gonna grill off these first, then we'll grill off the second batch second, so we don't mix them up. Simply spin them around. We'll give them a base with that reserved sauce. Well, this is only going to take about 1 minute per side, if that. Well, there we go. 1 minute per side. And that's it. Well, there's only one thing to do. Let's eat. Well, here they are. We have oven baked and then grilled. And then we have grill baked and then grilled. So we got our cold beer ready. Let's see one tastes the best. We're going to start with the oven. Off the bone. Wow, that's very good. Whoa. Juicy, tender. Now let's try the grill baked. Wow. Oh man. Wow, that's smoke. I'm voting grill baked. Grill baked with a kiss of smoke. Winner. You need a lot of napkins and a garden hose. Let's serve them up with some baked beans and coleslaw.